Welcome. In this video, I'll show how to disable receive message requests on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the PC app after the latest update. If you're tired of random message requests filling your inbox or you just want more privacy, this quick guide will help you turn them off completely. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. You should see the main dashboard with the navigation bar on the left-hand side of the screen. Next, look for the More icon. It's the one that looks like 3 small dots or an ellipsis. Click on it to open a drop-down menu with a few additional options. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the main Settings page, where you can manage your account details, preferences, and privacy controls. Now, click on Privacy and Safety. This section controls who can see your content, interact with you, and send you messages. It's where all the privacy adjustments for your profile live. Once you're in the Privacy and Safety section, you'll want to scroll down until you find Direct Messages. Click on it to open the Message Settings menu. Here, you'll see an option labeled Allow Message Requests From. By default, it might be set to Everyone or People you follow. To stop receiving new message requests entirely, select No One. After choosing No One, your preference will be saved automatically. That means from now on, people who aren't already in your direct message list won't be able to send you new message requests. And that's it. You've successfully disabled message requests on X using the PC app. This quick change helps you stay in control of who can reach you privately, keeping your inbox clean and your social experience a little more peaceful. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching.